Hi everyone, Miss Francis here again, and this video is all about our natural deodorants that we do here at Kylex Naturals. We had some clips and pictures taken while we were making a batch, and I decided, you know what, let's just put it together and make a little video. So this is just me doing a little intro. All right, if you follow us on our social media, and if you don't, go do that. Follow us on our socials. All of them is Kylex Naturals, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Kylex Naturals, YouTube, Kylex Naturals. All right, do hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button. We'll be happy to have you as part of our family of the all natural revolution. But we're a herbal brand. Let's also keep that in mind. We're more herbal brand. Everything is about herbal as much as it's about using natural things. Okay, so we decided to put it together, make a little video. So there's not much information per se. There were more pictures and little clips that we took in between the live that we put together. All right. The one you're going to see is the light pits. This one is actually mine, so I'm sorry that it's a bit dirty. This is what it looks like. Yeah, it's a bit dirty because, as I said, this one is mine. I do have a new sensitive bit here just to show you the packaging of another one. We do 3 of these natural deodorants. All of them could be found at our local beauty store, Pennywise Cosmetics, and of course, for some reason, if they're out of stock, you can also check our website. The link is down below for that. Yes, we do ship internationally, so you can get your hands on these. These go pretty quick. I don't even have a detox right now to show you, and we just did 200 of these. They go pretty quick. People are loving this, and I want to say I'm very grateful and thankful for all the love and support with my brand. You guys don't know what that means to me. So again, thank you. All right, so do enjoy the video, enjoy the clip. If you want to win one of these, the liked ones, if you want to win that, of course, share this video. Tag us when you share it, or the ones you shared, we will get a notification. But tag us. For all the people that have been winning, thank you for sharing the video. That does a lot for us. Thank you so much for doing that. And the winners are always put up on our Instagram and Facebook story notifications. So you're going to see them there when they come to the store to pick up these things. And we've had more local winners right now, so I can't say I've had to ship anything internationally for a winner. But as I've said, we do ship internationally if you shop out of a store. Link is in the bio. All right, so with all that said and done, go enjoy the video. We do answer questions, so any questions and concerns that you may have, feel free to put it there, and I'll get right back to you. All right? Okay. Alright guys, based on the video you guys just saw, or based on the picture clips that came up, you would have seen each ingredient as I added for our deodorant. So you see how rich our deodorant is made. Loads of shea butter, loads of beeswax, loads of different nice skin loving moisturizing oils, and this is just phase 1. Alright, so this is our oils, butters, wax, still melting away, still have whole blocks in it. So it is a process because the heat is pretty low. We don't want to overheat our oils and butters, right? We want to keep all the goodness. Alright guys, so I am back, and this is what it looks like. This is our light pit deodorant for those dark underarms and all that good stuff. No, it does not stain the clothes, and if Elizabeth do get on it, it's not enough to stain the clothes. All right, so yeah, now you guys know how great, luxurious, and rich our deodorants are. Hey Kylex. All right, so I know that was like 2 minutes, maybe three. The intro probably was longer, but thank you for watching. Thank you for those of you who are going to share this. Again, that does a lot for us. Thank you very much. Again, follow us on all the socials, and yeah. Okay, not much to say. Not much again to say. So I'm gonna go. Bye everyone. And you know how I leave, you know what I say. Happy formulating. Bye.